Hey guys, welcome to episode 6. What we're discussing in this episode is using classes in CSS. What do we mean by class? Classes are just a set of rules which are declared to effect a particular element or multiple elements, as the case may be. But in this case, we'll be using a class element in CSS because we have a target. Now, if you look at this, our paragraph here, so we have our paragraph 1 and our paragraph 2. Both of them are already having the green color, which is something they inherited from this line of code CSS here, which we already declared, saying that our paragraph tags should take a green color and a font size of 26. We are not really bothered about the size right now, but we are bothered about the individual paragraph. Assuming this is paragraph 1 and this is paragraph 2. I want to give this a green color and give this a blue color. How do I do that? That is where classes comes into play in CSS. So now what we need to do is to declare a class. And in doing that, in CSS rule, when you want to declare a class, it starts with the full stop or dot, as the case may be, however you want to call it. So right now, we just declare a rule for it. So at this point in time, let's just come to the first paragraph tag and give it a class. Give it a rule which says class equal to, open double quote here and call it paragraph 1. Then what we just need to do is copy this class and give it to 2 and call it paragraph 2. However, wrong spelling or not, ensure that when declaring this the CSS rule, the exact spellings here should match the CSS rule. If not, it won't work. So for paragraph 1, we want it to have the green color, which is already having. We want it to maintain it. So for this paragraph, what we need to do at this point is put the full stop in front of the P, add paragraph 1 in front of it. If we save at this point and preview, you note something. Paragraph 1 retained exactly its usual content, but paragraph 2 has reverted back to the initial stage of no CSS at this point, in the sense that this color is everything from the body, which is our body color here, because for CSS2, which is the paragraph 2, there's no CSS attached to it. So how do we do that? Now, paragraph 2, we just copy what we have for paragraph 1, come down here, paste it, and put paragraph 2. Then in the place of the color, we call this blue. If we save it and refresh it, okay, something is wrong. Let's check it out. Paragraph 2. Okay. So let's save and refresh it. At this point, let's just remove this color for the body. Let's place it back here and save it. So for P2, now let's take note of this. I'm very happy the mistake was made, so you will understand it. I've been trying to edit this over and over. It's not working. Previewed, it's not working. The reason is not because the code was wrong, but the placement of the code was wrong. Instead of before, after the opening p tag, I placed it in the closing p tag, and that way it will never work. So if we refresh, there you go. Now everything is back to normal. At this point in time, we have our color in place for paragraph 1 and paragraph 2. So this is how you target a paragraph or an element in HTML using class. So this is just it. See you in the next video, where we have to talk about more on classes. But at this point, we just gave a little bit intro about classes in CSS.